Hello everyone! Today we will show you how to participate in Binance Web3 wallet new airdrop. Name BEVM OSHI token airdrop. Let's begin the video. Open Binance. Go to Web3 wallet.
Yeah.
Here is the new airdrop. Total tokens to be airdrop are 10.5 million tokens. There are 3 steps to complete the airdrop. Fees required in BTC approximately $30 to $40 in BTC. If you don't have BTC, you can also buy from us, link in the description. Let's begin step number 1. Bridge 0.00 for BTC from Bitcoin network to BEVM network.
My darling dear, you're never here. When I'm in pain, you hide and disappear. Like shadows in the atmosphere, charting the stratosphere. Yeah. I prayed for you.
Confirm and that's set.
In hopes you chase away my fears. I'm on my own, you made it so. And now I'm chasing nightmares. I used to run with you.
Step number 2.
Please laugh at you when you laugh at me. Hope for us because
Connect wallet.
home was just you and me. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me.
Step number 3.
Inside lane, missing exits. I'm glued to the pavement. Between the lines, I keep my gaze straight ahead as the last stop flies by. No more waiting for the gun to fire. No more walking through revolving doors. I've gone around once, and I don't need to go around anymore. It's time to break away. Forget you're so okay.